Imagine a massive asteroid hurtling towards Earth, undetected until the last moment. Terrifying, isn't it? This is not a figment of science fiction, but a very real possibility. The cosmos is teeming with celestial bodies, some of which pose a potential threat to our planet. These asteroid invaders are often hidden in the glare of our very own sun, making them nearly impossible to spot with conventional means. This is a challenge we must face head-on for the sake of our world and our future. Knowledge is our greatest weapon in this cosmic battlefield. By understanding the nature of these hidden threats and the limitations we face in detecting them, we arm ourselves with the tools to safeguard our home. This is not just about survival, but about the resilience and ingenuity of the human spirit. It's a cosmic game of hide and seek, and we cannot afford to lose. February 15th, 2013, a small city in Russia, Chelyabinsk, witnessed an astronomical anomaly that shook the world. It was an ordinary winter morning when the sky was torn apart by a blinding flash, brighter than the sun. A meteor about 20 meters in size exploded in the atmosphere with a blast 30 times more potent than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. The shockwave shattered windows, injured over 1,000 people, and left a trail of destruction in its wake. This event served as a stark reminder of the dangers lurking in the cosmos, dangers often concealed by the sun's glare. This celestial intruder, later known as the Chelyabinsk meteor, belonged to a group of asteroids known as Apollo asteroids. These celestial bodies have orbits that cross Earth's path, making them potential threats. However, their elusive nature often keeps them hidden from our view, concealed by the sun's blinding radiance. But the Apollo asteroids are not the only hidden dangers. Meet their equally elusive cousins, the A10 asteroids. These asteroids have orbits that bring them closer to the sun than Earth, making them even harder to spot. Their proximity to the sun often results in a phenomenon we call solar glare, where the brilliant light of the sun drowns out the faint light reflected off the asteroid, effectively rendering them invisible to our ground-based telescopes. The Chelyabinsk incident was a wake-up call, a reminder of our vulnerability to these hidden threats. It underscored the need for vigilance, for advanced tools and techniques to detect these elusive asteroids before they catch us off guard. Because it's not just about spotting a tiny speck of light in the vast cosmos, it's about safeguarding our planet, our home, from potential catastrophic events. The skies are not as empty as they seem, and the sun's brilliance hides more than just our shadows. We must continue to explore, to observe, and to understand the cosmos, not just for the sake of knowledge, but for the survival of our species. After all, knowledge is our best defense against the unknown. Not all asteroids are created equal. Some are city killers, others planet killers. As we delve deeper into the realm of asteroids, it becomes apparent that we're dealing with a spectrum of threats, each with its unique level of devastation. Let's first discuss the city killers. These are asteroids that, despite their relatively smaller size, approximately 1 kilometer, can cause catastrophic damage on a regional scale. When it comes to these celestial bodies, we've made significant strides. We've successfully identified about 95% of these city killers. However, this leaves us with a sobering 5% still lurking undiscovered, potentially hiding in the sun's glare. Now, this might not sound like much, but let's put this into perspective. Picture a deck of cards all face down. You've turned over 95 of them, leaving just 5. Would you bet the safety of your city on the hope that none of those 5 cards is an ace of spades? That's the gamble we're currently taking with these unidentified city killers. As we move along the scale of threat, we encounter the planet killers. These are the behemoths of the asteroid world, spanning more than 10 kilometers. Their impact would be nothing short of apocalyptic, leading to mass extinction on a global scale. The infamous asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs 65 million years ago was a planet killer, and it's a stark reminder of the potential devastation these celestial bodies can cause. The good news? Planet killers are rare. The bad news? They're harder to detect due to their farther orbits, often lurking in the sun's glare. Currently, we've only identified about 30% of these potential planet killers. That leaves a staggering 70% yet to be discovered. It's like knowing there's a ticking bomb somewhere in the world, but having no idea where it is, or when it might go off. As we stand on the precipice of the unknown, it's crucial to remember that knowledge is our best defense. We've made exceptional progress in detecting and tracking these celestial threats, but there's still much work to be done. Our survival depends on our vigilance in monitoring the skies and our dedication to advancing our technological capabilities. The scale of the threat is immense, but so too is our potential to overcome it. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we are not just reaching for the stars. We're safeguarding our future, ensuring that life on Earth continues to thrive for millions of years to come. We must keep our eyes on the skies, for what we don't see can indeed hurt us. Humanity's greatest strength lies in our ability to adapt, to innovate, and to rise to the challenges that lie ahead. With every asteroid we detect, with every city killer we identify, with every planet killer we discover, we're one step closer to securing our place in this vast, cosmic arena. The Sun, while the source of life, poses a unique challenge for astronomers. The radiant beacon that is our Sun, illuminating our lives and powering our world, also presents one of the most significant hurdles in our quest to safeguard Earth from potential asteroid impacts. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack, except the haystack is also blindingly bright. The issue at hand? The Sun's intense glare, which makes it nearly impossible for ground-based telescopes to spot asteroids that approach from the direction of the Sun. This is due to a fundamental limitation of these Earth-bound instruments. They can only observe the night sky and thus cannot survey the space around the Sun. Moreover, the horizon position and atmospheric interference further restrict the field of view. But fear not, celestial guardians. We have a secret weapon in our arsenal to conquer this solar glare, and that's space-based telescopes. These sophisticated pieces of technology are our eyes in the sky, unblinded by the Sun's radiance. They can observe space around the Sun, unhindered by atmospheric disturbances or the limitations of the horizon. This makes them invaluable assets in our quest to uncover potentially lethal asteroids hidden in the Sun's glare. Two such marvels of human engineering that deserve special mention are the European Space Agency's NEOMIR and NASA's Near-Earth Object Surveyor. These space-based telescopes are specifically designed to detect the heat signatures of asteroids. This ability to sense heat, rather than relying solely on visible light, is a game-changer. NEOMIR, or the Near-Earth Object Modeling and Payload for Infrared Detection, is an ambitious project that plans to survey the sky in infrared wavelengths, which are less affected by the Sun's glare. This allows NEOMIR to spot the heat radiating off asteroids, even those shrouded in the Sun's brightness. Similarly, NASA's NEO Surveyor, equipped with an infrared sensor, is designed to discover, track, and characterize potential hazardous asteroids. Its mission is to find 90% of near-Earth objects larger than 140 meters, a size that could cause significant damage upon collision with Earth. These telescopes are more than just pieces of hardware orbiting in space. They are our early warning systems, our guardians, and our first line of defense against celestial threats lurking in the Sun's glare. They represent the epitome of human innovation and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. They are a testament to our willingness to push boundaries, to look beyond the limitations of our planet-bound perspective, and to strive for a safer future for all of Earth's inhabitants. Innovation and technology are our best defense against these hidden dangers. With them, we can turn the Sun from a veil into a backlight, illuminating these celestial threats before they catch us off guard. And so, as we continue our journey through the cosmos, we do so with a vigilant eye on the sky, a firm belief in our technological prowess, and a hopeful heart for the future of our planet. Uncovering these concealed celestial bodies is not just a scientific endeavor, it's a race against time. Our journey through the cosmos has shown us the beauty of the universe, but it has also revealed the lurking dangers. The hidden asteroids, veiled in the Sun's glare, pose a threat of unimaginable scale, a threat that could bring catastrophic consequences if left undetected. Yet, as we look towards the future, there's a sense of optimism. Our relentless pursuit of knowledge, our ceaseless innovation, they're our greatest assets. With space-based telescopes like ESA's NEOMIR and NASA's NEO Surveyor, we're beginning to pierce the solar glare and unveil the hidden threats. We're not merely spectators in this cosmic theater, we're the guardians of our own fate. As we continue to gaze at the cosmos, remember, our survival may just depend on what we can't see. So, are you ready to uncover the veiled threats?